I don't know what these are called. If you know what they called, let me know. But it tastes like vanilla ice cream. Mm. Mm. I was looking for deer berries, but I don't think they're ready yet. Ooh, that's sour. Nah, they ain't ready yet. This is wild sumac. When it's ripe, it get real sticky. You soak it in water, and it tastes like pink lemonade. Got a whole field of it. I found some wild grapes. They ain't ready yet. I found some more wild grapes. I thought these were elderberries, but somebody had to put me up on game. The chokeberries, and they real poisonous. You gotta boil them first. The Native Americans used to use them as a dye, and they everywhere. Got some beauty berries. They don't really taste like much until you boil them. I make I make tea with these pine needles. As you can see, they're everywhere. I got me a decent sized bag. You know what I'm saying? It's good for your immunity. I'm tired, boss. I've been out here for 2 hours. All right, this is the back of my neighborhood. Literally take you right to the woods.